Today's topic, divisibility rule of 7. Look, 49 we can divide by 7, it will be 7. Same thing like 91 also divisible by 7, we know this is 13. But can you understand 8855, is it divisible by 7? Yes or no, we can understand after this video. How? Look, the first thing, to check if a number is divisible by 7, double the last digit and subtract it from the rest of the number. So look, here is a 8855. The last digit is 5, so we will make double this one. So 5 times 2, it will be 10. And subtract it from the rest of the number. So rest of the number is 885. So we will subtract this one. So here is a 10. So what will be the value? This one out. So 5 minus 0, it will be 5. 8 minus 1, it's a 7. And here is a 8. But till we are not clear, is it divisible by 7 or not? So look, repeat this process until you get a number that is 0 or multiple of 7. So repeat this thing. Same thing, this is a 5. Once you make double, it will be 10. So minus 10 from the rest of the number, it means 8 and 7, this part out. So 7 minus 0, it's a 7. 8 minus 1, it's a 7. So very easily we understand this 77 is divisible by 7. The result is 11. So we can say 8855 can be divisible by 7. So one more practice, like suppose 1792. Is it divisible by 7? Let's check. First, 1792. The last digit is 2. We will make double. So 2 times 2, it will be 4. Now we will subtract from the rest of the number, which is 179. 9 minus, here is a 9 minus 4 is a 5. Here is a 7. Here is a 1. And 5 double. 5 times 2, it will be 10. Now look, here is a rest of the number is 17. So minus 10, the result is 7. Our target, it should be divisible by 7 or equals to 0. 7 divided 7 is a 1. That's why we can say 1792 can be divisible by 7. I hope you cleared this one. If you have any question, please write a line in the comment section. Thank you.